Hi guys! Today I wanted to share a very quick little project using your washi tape. Since I have so many new washes, I wanted to find ways to use it, and I came up with this washi tape tag idea. I'm sure it exists already, but I wasn't searching for it and I just wanted to try these, and so I thought I would share my process. I wanted to just show you the ones that I've done so far and then make one with you so that I see how I do them. So this is a small one. On the back they're just plain so that you could write on it if you want to put it in a journal, for example, or gift it to someone and then write something on the back. This is the other small one. And then here I have some larger ones. Here I have one with rounded edges. And lastly this one. I put the hole on the wrong side of the tag first, so I thought maybe I could put a little dangle here or something. I'll think of something. Okay, so let's just quickly go ahead and make one. So all you need for this is some cardstock, anything you have really on hand. This is, I believe this is 200 grams, but since I'm gonna double it, it's gonna be fine in the end. It's gonna be strong enough. Then some washi of your choosing, a glue stick or any glue of your choice, a hole puncher, your blending tool, this is optional, some scissors, and some thread to put through the hole. Okay, so let's get right to it. So I have this cardstock here. They're already the same size. They are very wide actually. Do I want to make two small ones? I could make two small ones instead. But you know what? Instead of using my scissors and ruler, I'm just gonna get my my paper trimmer. Hang on. Okay, so I'm gonna stick with the length of these, but I want to make it a little less wide, and as a guide maybe I'll take one of these, just approximately. So, and I never really measure the sizes, I just go by whatever what looks good. Okay, so I think this will be okay, so let's put this away. So now I'm gonna do one with the cut corners. So, I do that afterwards, I'm so sorry. So now I take one of my two pieces, and now I will start decorating with the washi. So how do I do this? Let me start off with a little script one. So I just put it right down to the edge, then I fold it over around the back. Like that. So first one is done. Then let's do this one. So same thing, I'm just gonna line it right up to the from the bottom one. The lighter your cardstock, the better, because then your washi will really come out nicely. If you use a dark one or a beige, obviously the color of your washi is gonna change a little bit. Then I'm gonna do another one with a weekday. So I have this weekday washi from AliExpress. It's in my last haul in case you're interested to find the link. So I'm gonna use this Tuesday one. Try to center that. Around. Next, I will use. What do I use? Maybe I'll try this one. All of these washes are in my AliExpress haul, the latest one. Just in case I want to get any of those. This one. Then let's do this. I think this is one of my very, very favorite washes of all time. Look at this adorable leaf print. I'm obsessed with it, and I might have to order another one because I'm using it all the time for everything. Okay, which one do we do next? Let's do this grid one. Okay. Okay, and I think on top as the last one, I will again use my script one. Okay, now on top I have this little tiny part which is not covered. So I think I'm just going to cut that part off. Let me just think, do I do that now? No, you know what? I will do that later once I've glued the other piece to it. So I will leave it for now. Now I do want to add another focal point, one of these butterflies. Let me see, which one do I want? I could have two. Let's see. Cut this here. Okay, let's cut this one out quickly. With the flowers. Let's try that first. If I don't like the flowers, I can then still cut them off. Let's see how that would look. Put it here. Yeah, that works. I think I'll just keep it with the flowers. Now the question is, do we want another one? Yes, I think I do want another one. Do I keep this tiny one? Let's see how it will look. Yeah, I think this, with the small one it's too much. So I will cut that one off and use it on something else. Just use this one. I might want to put it down here actually. Okay, that works for me. Okay, so now that is the design of it, and then I'm going to back it with the second cardstock so that the back doesn't look like this. And the reason why I don't want to just cut the washi off here at the edge is because unless you glue them all down, they will start to come off with time. So that's why I want to back it with this, and then they're secure. So all I'm gonna do is use my glue stick and go over it. Take the second one, line it up. Make sure it's on really well. Okay, and now I'm going to cut off this part which is not covered by the washi and try to cut it straight. There. Okay, and now I want to make the little edges, so I'm just gonna go like this, and then so I have this cut off piece, and I'm gonna just flip it around this way and put it right there in the corner, and then cut that piece off. So that should be symmetrical. Now we take our hole punch, try to find the center approximately. Okay, now all we have to do is ink this. I'm using walnut stain. No particular reason. It just kind of gives it a more finished look. Do the same thing on the back. And of course what you can also do is put one of these hole reinforcers around it. But since I'm too lazy to find one now, I'm just gonna kind of ink a hole like that. And lastly, we're going to add some trim. I just have to decide which one to use. It's either this one or this one. Sorry for that shake. And what do I want to do? I think this one works better actually. So I'm gonna use this one. Where is the edge? There we go. And I just cut some here, and then I will double that up. So I will cut this again. Just use these scissors to help me poke it through. Come on. Okay, here we go. So here are my two loops. All right, just thread these through, trim it a little bit, and there we go. There is our little washi tag. Okay, so hope this gave you some ideas what to do with your washi. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.